In this video, we will comprehensively address the process of working with Merck's Dispatch Control System. SCD stands for Dispatch Control System. Our system offers a comprehensive solution for the management of cargo bays, covering the handling of waybills and invoices both internally and through external transport companies. The system operates in the following dimensions. Management Portal. It is the centralized interface for efficient administration. Mobile Module facilitates real-time tasks for agile management. Advanced Statistical Analysis. The system provides operational metrics, that is, it exposes transactional information in simple dashboards that allow visualizing valuable information for informed decision-making. This is because the Business Intelligence module is embedded in the solution and facilitates the user experience throughout the logistics process. To illustrate how our solution works, we will present an example flow. We will start by elaborating a diagram that accurately summarizes the flows executed by the various agents that interact with the application. The packer has the task of preparing the necessary documentation for the route. The yard foreman will assume the task of preparing the necessary documentation to be assigned and completing the closing of the truck. At the end of the truck's route, he or she will also review the information and carry out the corresponding closing of the route. On the other hand, the driver will have the task of scanning the packages to load the truck. Once the truck is properly loaded, he will start the route, arrive at his destination to unload, and once this operation is completed, he will return to finish the route. To start the document preparation process, you are required to access the portal using your credentials and then go to the preparation section. Within the preparation section, the clerk must complete all the fields of the form, providing the information required to enter the document. Once the document has been prepared and assigned, we proceed to the tracking section. There, we will review the recently entered guides to verify that they are in the assigned status. From the tracking section we can view the file as PDF and also the purchase order. The yard foreman will assume the task of assigning the prepared documents and completing the closing of the truck. At the end of the truck's run, he or she will also review the information and perform the corresponding route closure. Who will be in charge of scanning all the packages that will be dispatched under the document entered? When the truck is fully loaded is when the route will start. At the start of the route, the vehicle will proceed to the designated location for the delivery of the packages. Once the driver arrives at the delivery destination, he will proceed to unload the packages by scanning them again. After completing the delivery of all assigned packages, the vehicle will return to the plant to finish the route. Once the packages have been delivered, the yard foreman must thoroughly verify that all information is correct. If this is the case, he or she is assigned the responsibility of completing the route closure. To carry out this process, you must access the portal, go to the route closure section and proceed to close the corresponding route. The route closure consists of validating the documents delivered on the route. Once the closure is confirmed, the system generates a routing sheet with a detail of the dispatched documents. It is also possible to validate the receipt by the customer by reviewing the document in PDF from the system. From the system, we can export an Excel file with the details of all the required documents, applying all kinds of filters, which allows us to visualize the information in an orderly and practical way. A highlight of our system is the tracking service, which allows customers to view the status of their package at any time, giving them the possibility to check its current status. In this way, the entire flow is completed.